This demo will walk you through the administrative features of SafeW8, including adding new users and customizing the queue behavior with the various queue parameters. Let's start by adding a new user. So click on Manage Users. This screen is a list of all the users that are currently in the system, only one at this point. To add a new user, click Add User. Enter their name, phone number, and email. If the user is going to operate the queues, that is all you need to do. If you want the user to be able to add other users and edit store parameters, then you would flip the Allow Users to Edit Store Information switch to Yes. This will make them an admin. The features described in this video are only available to admin users. When you click Save, the user will be sent a text message to download the app and sign in with their phone number. Notice the status of the user says Pending User Acceptance. Once they have signed in, this will be changed to Approved. The other way a user can get added is for them to open the SafeW8 Manager app for the first time while in your place of business and enter their phone number. This will add them to your user list in a pending approval state, and then you will need to go into this page and there will be a button to click to approve them. On this screen, you can click on a user to get additional information or to edit their information. You can also swipe left to delete them. The Add Queue menu option is selected if you want to add an additional queue to your business. Each user will be able to access all the queues at your location. The details about how to add a queue are covered in a separate demo. Let's click the back button and go to the Edit Queue Parameters option. This allows you to customize your queue behavior by editing the various queue parameters. It gives you complete control over how you want to operate the queue for this location. The parameters are specific to a queue, so if you have multiple queues at the same location, they can each have a different configuration. The location information is self-explanatory, so let's take a look at some of the queue settings. Queue name is the name that will appear to customers in SafeW8 when they go to join a queue. The training mode and code information is covered in detail in the training mode demo, but in this screen you can change the training code to any 4-digit number. This demo will skip some of the more obvious parameters, but you can access help for each of the parameters by swiping left on any one of them. Available reservations each hour. SafeW8 uses this number to determine how many slots per hour to make available for people joining the queue. For example, if this were set to 30, SafeW8 would create available slots every 2 minutes for a person to join. If the business opens at 8 a.m., the first person in line would get a slot of 8 a.m. and the second person would get a slot at 8:02. Capacity reserved for walk-ups. SafeW8 allows you to support both a walk-up queue and an online queue. When SafeW8 Manager has decided which person should enter next, it will use this parameter along with the online customer's current location to determine who should enter next. The default setting is one walk-up customer for each customer from the online queue. This will cause SafeW8 to alternate between the two lines. However, if there is no customer at the entrance, SafeW8 will keep filling the store from the walk-up queue. On the other hand, if